Hello everyone, this is my review for the Syndicate program. As you can see from the screen, I have made a total profit of $27 this entire week. I started with an initial deposit of $311.69, and then you can see my balance at the end of the week is $339.26. If you see the graph here, every day I have made profit. No, not even one day I have made a loss. Every day profit. And then if you come down over here, you will see all I have won 22 out of 22 long positions and 6 out of 6 short positions. So this is overall a great product. If you're looking to earn passive income online, then definitely give this system a try. Get in touch with TubeCore on Skype, and he will give you step-by-step instructions. It won't even take you a day, and he'll set it up for you, and then you can take it from there. Thank you.